instructions. Huh? Oh my god. Today, I am gonna try to make squishies from scratch. I'm gonna be testing out this right here. I actually saw Mariah Elizabeth do this and they looked really good. So shout out to the squishy queen, Mariah Elizabeth. I will make sure to link Mariah's video down below. I'm actually so excited to try this out because it looks so legit. And I believe this is originally made like for props. I feel like nothing actually really says what it makes. It just makes like foam basically, if I'm being completely honest. I would be so confused on what this is. So thank you to the people that have made videos on this, because if it wasn't for you guys, a lot of us wouldn't know what the heck this is for. Without further ado, let's get to it. I heard it's a little bit complicated and I really hope I do not mess this up. So first things first, let's take everything out of the box. And what looks like instructions. Huh? I am so confused. Like I'm actually not gonna read the instructions. Just looking at them, I feel like I would be so confused figuring this out. I am gonna try to set this up like the people I watched because I really want to get this right. I'm gonna put some gloves on because I heard it's a little sticky. Also guys, do not forget Slime Mania, August 11th, we will be in Atlanta, so come through. Get your tickets down below. We're so close to selling out, guys. Also, we are coming to Dallas and Cleveland right after that. So make sure to go get your tickets. I'll make sure to link that down below. Got my gloves on. Let me just walk you through what I'm doing, because I literally have never done this before. These two cups right here, A and B, is to hold my spoons because they're gonna be messy. So it's just a place to put my messy spoons. That's that. Here we have cup A and B. We also labeled our stirring sticks. We labeled them because you do not want these two to mix before you want them to mix, because it will start activating, or whatever you want to call it, immediately. Let's just walk through it. We have the components right here, and we also have this really cute mold for squishies, and it's a really good variety. This is amazing. I also got some cactus ones that I used in my summer video where I did the aloe vera cubes, and I also got some cupcake ones. These are so freaking adorable. Okay, let's get to it. 1A to 2B, being 2B. So it doesn't matter how much you're making, it's always gonna be 1:2 ratio, and that is why they give you 2 of the part B's. Whether you're using 1 cup to 2 cups, the whole thing to this whole thing. And if you try,
she can stem.
Oh my god, you guys, she can stem. I'm gonna walk you through this as best as I could so that we could both succeed. It just feels so, I feel like I'm in a lab. All right, oh my god. All right, kids. Time for a science lesson. Okay, you know when you get your squishy kit, shout out to my squishy kit, by the way. You know, you get your blanks and you get the stuff to make it. But when you get like the actual liquid, so first things first, pour into the A and B cups. A, B. I think it's good if you shake it. Doesn't smell like anything. You want to clean out the spoon as much as possible, so that's why I'm going in with my stirring stick and just really getting every drop out. Okay, this is actually gonna give me a hard time. I'm not trying to be over here like the scientist and stuff, but this is making it a little bit harder for me. This one feels so different. That feels like a liquid. This is like, I don't know what this is. Oh, this one's so much thicker. This stuff actually expires, so make sure you buy it as close to when you're gonna make it. Okay, now I'm gonna stir each one individually. Just a nice little whip. Ooh, this one is so thick. Now you're gonna add these to your mix cup. I'm gonna go in with B first just because it's so much thicker. Again, getting everything out, everything I can at least. And it takes a while to drip out just because it's so thick. Fresh stick in the mix cup. Now it's time to pour in A. I'm gonna mix these two together and I'm gonna mix them fast because as soon as they come in contact, they're gonna start the magic. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm making a mess. Okay, don't freak out, don't freak out. Calm down. I'm literally making it harder on myself by getting stressed out. Really stir it in. How much do I pour? Oh gosh, Karina, just calm down, calm down. Oh my god, oh my god. Am I pouring too much? I don't know. Oh my god, this is getting thicker literally as I'm pouring. Yo, oh my god, I think I'm working slow. Oh, okay, I don't know what I'm doing, you guys, but we're gonna let it sit and it's gonna expand. This actually has to sit for 15 minutes to fully expand or whatever. So while that sets, I'm actually gonna go ahead and make other squishies and see how I can perfect them. So now that I actually did it one time, I'm like, okay, maybe it's gonna be easier this next time. I was freaking out and I noticed I was even like spilling stuff because I was just like getting nervous about it. But I think this time around, I'm much more calm. I'm kind of confused on why we don't just pour this into here.
That's what I was saying.
Is that what you were thinking? Okay guys, so I'm noticing this time around, I don't see the point of pouring it into a separate cup. But honestly, I think I'm just gonna go straight into this one. Mix, 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 mix. Oh, my pants are ruined. I'm going in with a little bit more because I don't know if I'm doing too little or too much. In this mold, I poured more than I did with this one. And then in this croissant, I kind of went ham. Get it? Ham and cheese. Oh my god, ham and cheese croissant. That's like my favorite thing ever. And it's funny because I could totally, like, this first batch I did just looks so dry and skinny. This one right here, she's gonna be a thickie. These look like they might be perfect. So excited. Yes. Oh my god, that's getting so big. Okay, I added way too much. See, this is why it's good to experiment with this, and thank goodness they give you so much of the product. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and take these other ones out. So this is my sad donut. My donut is looking like a freaking pancake right now. So she's looking a little rough. I noticed with these, I was trying to be way too careful and I was pouring as it was already expanding. None of them really came out good. What is this? So weird. I really do feel like I just worked way too slow because look at my donut. It was literally expanded as I poured this. Like it was already full blown expanded. And this one just set really ugly. It looks like I got all like scrunched up together. It's just like, looks so weird. But yeah, look at that. Even just taking it out is like harder. Ugh. But this is my first round. Looking at it first glance, they don't look that bad, but they're bad. I'm really excited to see how these are gonna turn out. Okay, touching this straight off the bat, the density, oh my god, I'm so excited about these. I did pour a lot, which I felt like I only poured a little bit more than I did with those, so it's gonna be really hard to get this perfect. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. You guys, it came out so good. Look at the detail. You could see the detail, and I'll show you guys once we paint them how detailed it is. Oh my god, that squish. You're kind of popping the bubbles and it gets even denser and denser. So cool. Wow, these came out so freaking good. This croissant right here is definitely the thickest one. I mean, look at how much it's expanded. Just gotta loosen it up. Oh my god, you guys, this is so thick. This is the cutest thing. It almost looks like a freaking sphere. Like, this is so thick. Also, the detail came out so beautiful on this one. What did I do? Like, did I just not work fast enough with the first one? Because I went from this to this. I feel like I just poured a tiny bit more. But I really do want to get these right. I want my donut, I want my little jam, I want my cake slice. I'm gonna do this one more time, and I think I'm gonna perfect it this time. I think this time I might have done it actually right because it's not expanding yet. Every time I make this, they're getting bigger, but they are getting cuter. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, that's gonna be enough. Oh, I already know that's gonna be too much.
I feel like the later you pour it, the less it foams up.
Yeah, you're right. So true. I'm actually gonna go ahead and start painting the other ones that I did. The cactuses or cacti. Not sure what the right word is, but those I'm gonna start painting them. Oh my god, this is actually so messy though, guys. Like, the stick that it leaves behind is like so crazy. Time's up for the 2 donuts and this 1 cake slice. These still have a couple minutes. Okay, these donuts are definitely so thick. This donut is so cute when you look at it like this. The only thing is that it expanded right here in the middle. And also it's just like really thick. So I still haven't gotten that part down yet, but I'm gonna try again because I really am so impressed with how cool these are coming out. I just wish they were not so freaking thick. And there's the alarm. They're all ready. This donut right here is incredibly thick. Oh my god. Okay. This is like literally so huge. This was the last one I poured. Tiny bit stuck, but wow, this one actually came out really nice. This one is close to perfect. I mean, it's not really that expanded at the bottom. I think this one is really good. Don't want to mess up the detail. I think this is actually perfect. Look at this. I mean, it did expand a little bit, but I think the perfect amount. So we are getting better. I just really want to get my donut, and I don't know how I feel about this cake looking thing. This one looks so much smaller than this, and it's the exact same mold. That's crazy. I have made so many squishies. I want to say that for sure. Like, this is a lot of squishies I've made. Look at this round right here compared to the rest of the squishies. I mean, they're definitely improving so much. I'm gonna attempt this one more time, and I'm actually gonna make a cupcake this time. I'm hoping to really perfect the donut because all the other squishies I think came out so cute. It started to unstick from the side, so I feel like this one's definitely not gonna work out. Like, it shriveled up like the other one I showed you guys. These might be perfect. Look at these cupcakes. I feel like this time around, I feel like I really got an idea of how much to pour. Oh my gosh, these are absolutely perfect. You really have to get them like a few squishes to pop all the bubbles. You hear like tiny bubbles. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It has like a stick to it at first. It's so satisfying. The donuts, please come out right. I really want a good donut. I'm gonna start off with this one, which is clearly a fail. It's all shriveled up. I mean, although it does look pretty cute, like looking at this, I would say it came out perfect. The back does feel like a little stiff because it kind of like shriveled up. I feel like this one's gonna be better. Oh my gosh, look how perfect that is. I could just tell I'm gonna love it already. This one's coming out so easily. That's when you know it's good. The other ones that were not that great, I would notice little things like a layer that was getting stuck to the silicone. Super smooth. The detail looks great. I got my perfect donut. It's just a lot of trial and error. You really have to just, I mean, I did this about 4 to 5 times. First ones were like this, and I was like, I'm gonna pour a tiny bit more. And then this happened the second time. So it's like, you're like, wait, what did I do wrong? But really, I poured the same amount that I poured into this one. It's just that I happened to have mixed faster and was like doing it at a steady pace instead of like, freaking out and whatever. It's like the pace we work at. Like literally every single squishy is not gonna come out exactly the same, in other words. Like some are more dense than others. It does make them really cool. So I mean, you could also get like the squishy kit, for example, my squishy kit, where you get the blinks and you get the paint and you get the chalk and stuff. But if you would like to try to make squishies from scratch, then this is actually a really cool product. I want like a nice donut color, like a toasty color. And there's different ways to color squishies, you know, there's like the chalk and everything. I feel like I need to go with my finger, guys. Like the brush, I mean, it's good to apply it, but like I just feel like I always need to go with my finger. Even when making my own squishies for my kit, I feel like that's really how you like smooth it out. Because with a brush, you're always gonna leave like the little marks, you know? So we're gonna let this sit like this and let that dry before we get into the details. So croissant, same thing, starting at the bottom.
Now here.
And as I'm doing this, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of orange because I kind of want it an even toastier. Let's do, ooh, the cupcake. I'm probably gonna have to go back in with a second coat, but that's good. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna let this sit. Going in with the second layer now. Once you go in with the second layer, it's so much easier to see it. Like you could actually see it so vibrant now. Like the first layer really just soaks it up, but now you're really able to see that color. We've painted all the squishies basically. Some of them have more layers than others. I'm really just finishing up final details and final layers at this point. I will say that it is taking a little bit longer just because this type of specific squishy absorbs the paint so much. You definitely have to go in with like a lot of coats, but so far so good. They're coming out so cute. I'm making a donut right now and I'm just adding some sprinkles. That's what's happening. Overall, I am so happy with the way these came out. They're so freaking cute. Did they take a minute to perfect? Yes, they did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below which one of these is your favorite and what would you name these? Wow, I'm really torn between this one. It's just so simple, but she's so cute and thick, and I just love this one so much. And I also love the cake slice. This one just came out so cute, and that cactus is like so mean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click that like button. As always, comment down below your video suggestions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.